Does your teenager seem like two completely different people? One version for school days and a totally different one for the weekend. Well, it's because they are, and you need two different meal schedules to match their needs. Let's call this the 7:30 rule for teens. First, let's talk about mode 1. School days. The goal here is all about performance. Think focus, energy, and learning. So, at 7:30 a.m., it's time for a specific type of breakfast. We're serving high protein and good fats. I'm talking about eggs, avocado, maybe some Greek yogurt, or even a chia pudding. What we're not doing is cereal. Why? Cereal spikes their blood sugar, and then they crash right around first or second period. By fueling them with protein and fat, their brains get a steady supply of energy, helping them stay sharp all morning. Now, here's the other half of the rule, and it's crucial. The kitchen closes at 7:30 p.m. That's it. No more snacks. This creates a perfect 12-hour eating window. When they stop eating by 7:30 in the evening, something amazing happens while they sleep. Their natural growth hormone spikes. This is essential for their development. Plus, it has a bonus effect. It ensures they actually wake up hungry at 7:30 a.m., ready to eat that healthy, powerhouse breakfast you prepared. So, school days are simple. An eating window from 7:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. But then comes mode 2, the weekend. The goal here is completely different. It's all about recovery. So, what do you do with the schedule? You throw it out the window? Seriously, let them sleep in. Don't wake them up and force a 7:30 a.m. breakfast. Let their bodies naturally fast until they wake up on their own, maybe around 10 or 11 a.m. When they finally roll out of bed, serve them a huge, delicious, protein-packed brunch. Think scrambled eggs, bacon, maybe some whole grain toast with avocado. This longer, natural fasting period over the weekend gives their digestive system a break and helps clean out their system. It's like a mini reset button for their metabolism. So, let's recap. School days. Performance mode. Eat from 7:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Weekends. Recovery mode. Let them sleep in and have a big brunch. This simple switch can make a huge difference in their mood, energy, and focus. You might want to screenshot this schedule to save your sanity. Now, I know mornings can be chaotic, so let me give you super fast 1-minute breakfast hacks based on Dr. Yang's fat fuel concept. The idea is to switch their brain from burning sugar to burning fat for more stable energy. Hack number 1 is overnight chia pudding. The night before, just spoon some chia seeds and milk into a jar and stick it in the fridge. In the morning, grab the jar, toss in some blueberries, and they're out the door. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 south, which are like brain lube for studying. It's convenient and brilliant. Hack number 2 is what I call the energy bomb. It takes less than a minute to prepare. On Sunday, just batch boil a bunch of eggs for the week. In the morning, grab a couple from the fridge, slice up half an avocado, and sprinkle a little salt on top. The combination of high protein and healthy fats will keep them full and focused all the way until lunch, with absolutely no sugar crash. Try the 7:30 rule this week and let me know how it goes in the comments. And for more simple, effective metabolic hacks, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching!